Hi there, it's George here, and today I decided to repot my mango tree which I grew from seed, and it has been a while since I germinated it, and now let me show you. It was grow really beautiful, some leaves like this one, it looking not very good, something missing or kind of. And I noticed the pot is so small and decided to repot, and I will choose more big pot. And here we go, this is so looks like this mango tree, and I noticed here when you grow, but will grow for sure, but I will have to change the soil and then will grow healthy leaves, and we'll see how big they will grow. But first I will help it, then will grow for sure. I will see. And the stem is kind of really getting, quite thick already. That is beautiful. So let me put my mango tree in more big pot, and yeah. Well, I will repot in this pot. Here we go. Quite big already, and it have holes. Now just have to plant on it. Well, now I have to take this mango out from this old pot, and we'll see what is the root system. Let's do that. Well, I remove it very easily, and I have to add soil in the new pot. Well, root system are good, I think. Yeah, they are here. Well, I'm ready to add soil here in this pot, and the potting soil is universal potting soil, which pH is 5 to 6.5, and I mixed it with the soil from the garden, and the mango should like, and should be more pyrite here, but I do not have. Anyway, let's try to do that. Well, now let's try to plant it here in this spot. Perfect. But now we'll have to add soil around this mango tree. Well, it's time for watering it. I'm gonna use tap water, but I left that water a few days. And at room temperature, I will not water too much because, the potting soil is kind of wet. Here we go, this is the final result, and we'll see how the new leaves will grow, and I hope it will not grow like this one, as you can see how it's looking. And here I noticed the new grow, as you can see close up, and interesting what leaves will grow. I hope healthy like this one, and we'll see. Well, I will show you an update, and I hope will go well in this new potting soil and the new pot, and we'll see. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel, and I'll catch you next time. George was here. Bye bye.